Good morning, guys. As you can see in the title, this is a cleaning video. I will do a vlog. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody, and welcome to Christilani Vlogs. So I'm just gonna, underneath the chair, there's like Nevaeh's hair, so I have to move it to clean it up and stuff because her hair be getting all over. We can make one tumbleweed with her hair already. But anyways, yeah, so I just decided to like do a little moving around my furniture because I'm tired of it looking this way, so I'm gonna switch it around. Good thing that's like a sectional, we can separate those. In my other house, I always changing my furniture around just because I'm going under there to get all the hair anyway, vacuuming it and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like now. I have to move everything on the side. Good thing everything is light. But yeah, so let's stay tuned for how it's gonna look after. Okay, so do you see what I mean with all her hair in the back here? Okay, so all her hair. Good thing I don't have like a shaggy doggy. Yes, ma'am. Can I help you? What's going on? What's going on there? What's that? What you doing? Come on. Let's see what she's doing. Playing with her. Oh, what's this? What's that? You silly girl. That's all get? Silly. She's a silly girl. She's in a good mood today. She's playing with her little thing. Oh, you want some more treats in there? What's that? Okay, I'm gonna get her more treats. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna be reviewing this SmartMic Di Mini, an ultra compact microphone that delivers improved sound quality to your iPhone and iPad with lightning. So this is for the iPads, iPhones, and stuff like that. I got this at Bestbuy for $39.99, and this is me with it on. The microphone is on right now. Alrighty guys, so the microphone is off right now. At the beginning of getting this is how it's looking. It's just a little microphone you plug into your phone and you can make it straight or you can bend it towards you. But it's a little tiny thing. But at first I'm having a hard time to listen, but I think it kind of takes out the high, it's like a higher pitch right now, but when I put it on, it kind of like just makes it sound a little bit more better instead of like, there's high frequency or whatever. But let me know if you can tell the difference. Okay, so we're gonna try and test it on one more time with it on. Okay, so it is on now, and that girl is still acting like that silly girl. You silly girl, what you doing? Ah, hello sister. Really? You're gonna just sit and turn your back on us? Hi. Hi you. Alrighty, so that is with it on. I hope this is a good demonstration, but I'm gonna leave it on throughout the day. Maybe you can refer back to another video or refer back to a little bit before this to check out the sound. Hiya, 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 hiya. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. Yes, ma'am. silly girl. You silly girl. She wants scratches. Hi everybody. So don't forget, like, so I just got an email that because I donate to cerebral palsy and they will pick it up at your front door. So I see a lot of people just throwing their rubbish away when it can go to a cause that can help people. Some of them don't want to go through the trouble, or they just lazy, or they never thought of the idea. But if you have items that can be used by someone else, just gotta go on the computer. I said this many times I think before, but I just, in case you're new, you go onto there and find whatever. I think the Kidney Foundation, there's so many other places that will pick up the donations in the front door. If you make an appointment, they come and pick it up. So for mine, it's tomorrow. I don't know where I get all these things. I keep donating and I still have a lot of things. I don't know where I get them. But so at this point I have 2 bags already. I'm just gonna finish up trying to get maybe 1 more bag, and then I do have towels to donate, old towels that I'm gonna donate to Paws of Hawaii. Sometimes, you know, if you have old towels, don't throw them away. You can give them to the, like, you know, the animals, what is it called, Humane Society and stuff like that, or any foundation for the animals. You can just get a hold of them and then ask them if they need towels, because they always need towels for the animals, like the rescue groups and stuff like that. So I reached out to one of them and they're supposed to pick it up today. Yeah, so if you got items that can be reused instead of throwing into the dumpster, you know, like, you doing a little bit of your part to save the trash situation and stuff like that when it can be reused. Somebody's trash could be somebody else's treasure for good. It's like cerebral palsy, they can help, you know, their cause. So yeah, don't forget to, when you do your spring cleaning, just go ahead and put those donations together. You can even get tax write-off, you know. So it's a win-win situation with both parties. All right. Yeah, I just wanted to share that again. Alrighty guys, so this is what's going on now. I just separated my sectional, put that on this side, and there's a little bed in there. And this is how it's looking on this side. I still have to put that sheet, that covering on the, and then this is my sister's table. Look at it, so cute, pretty, yeah. Yeah, I got it from her after she passed away. So I'm gonna put a picture of her on there. I have to go upstairs and grab it. Alrighty guys, good morning. This is the next day and I'm just gonna do a closeout for this video. And right now I am still using the microphone, so I really can't tell the difference at this point. But probably it just like takes down that little high pitch that you kind of hear in the video. Let me know if you guys can tell the difference. I did put down on the screen when I was using the mic and when I wasn't. So yeah, but yeah, this is the SmartMic. I'm gonna be using it from now on, just to see how it goes. And plus it costs $40. Might as well put it to use, right? From Best Buy. Alrighty guys, so you guys have a wonderful weekend. You guys take care. God bless. And Navea? Oh, she's just laying there. Alrighty, so you guys have a wonderful day. You guys take care. God bless. I shall see you in my next video. Don't forget to like if you do like these videos. If you don't, it's okay. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more of my videos. And don't forget to press that bell button down below, and we will see you in our next upload.